In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel, downgrade, or extend your GoHighLevel trial and plan. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, head straight to your Launchpad. This is usually the main dashboard you see when you first log in. If you're not already there, you can find it from the main navigation menu. The Launchpad is your starting point for everything, so we'll begin from here. From the Launchpad, look for the Settings option. This is typically located on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. If you see more than one settings button or section, don't worry. Just make sure you're opening the main account or location settings where your billing details are stored. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of different tabs or sections. Look for the one labeled Billing. Click on Billing to open your subscription and payment details. This is where you can manage anything related to your plan, including upgrades, downgrades, cancellations, and trial extensions. Once you're in the billing section, look for a link or button that says something like, "Want to modify or cancel your subscription?" Click that. This is the gateway to all of the options we're going to cover in this video. If you're currently on a trial and you need more time before being charged, look for the trial extension option. Click on trial extension if you want to extend your trial. Follow any on-screen prompts and make sure you read the conditions, like how many days you're getting, and whether you can extend more than once. Next, if you don't immediately see all the options you need, look for a Show More link or button. Click on Show More to expand the full list of subscription actions. This will reveal additional options like downgrading or canceling your plan. If you want to move to a cheaper plan instead of canceling completely, look for the Downgrade Plan option and click on it. You'll usually be shown the available lower tier plans, along with what features you might lose. Take a moment to review those details, then confirm the downgrade if you're happy with the change. Finally, if you've decided you no longer need GoHighLevel at all, locate the Cancel Plan option. Click on Cancel Plan, carefully review any warnings about data, access, or remaining billing periods, and then confirm the cancellation to finish the process.